Question 9 is a geometry question where vocabulary is very important. Right triangles LMN and PQR are similar, where L and M correspond to P and Q respectively. Angle M has a measure of 53 degrees. What is the measure of angle Q? So reading through this text, I'm noticing that there's a lot of key vocabulary. First of all, we've got right triangles, which are similar. We've got some points that correspond to each other respectively. Let's break down the meaning of this. So first of all, we should know what a right triangle is. A right triangle is a triangle with a right angle in it. For two figures to be similar, they need to be the same basic shape with the exact same angles, but one of them might be bigger or smaller than the other. Think of it as like zooming in or zooming out, shrinking or enlarging. So perhaps I could imagine another right triangle that's got the same angles, but is just much bigger. So we would know that the angles would match each other. And since it's a right triangle, we know that one of the angles is a right angle, a 90-degree angle. All right, let's see what else we can do to label these figures. So we know that they're similar, and we know that L and M correspond to P and Q respectively. Correspond to, match with, respectively, in that order. So we can therefore understand that L matches with P and M matches with Q. So we don't really know which is which. Maybe the L goes on the X or the Y or the right angle, but whatever it goes on, it matches with P. And M, again, we don't know whether it goes on the X, the Y, or the right angle, but it matches with Q. We also know that angle M has a measure of 53 degrees. So maybe we can just pencil in angle M, angle M up here and call this 53 degrees. Well, then we know that it corresponds with, it matches with angle Q, so angle Q should be its matching angle, also 53 degrees. So whether L is the X or the right angle doesn't actually matter, because we've established that M is 53 degrees, M corresponds with Q, therefore angle Q must also be 53 degrees. This problem involves tracking a lot of information and understanding some key vocabulary. That's the only way to get through it.